Phantom's price increased over 40% in 1 week, but will we see even higher prices in the near future, or will Phantom go to the downside again? In this video I will talk about Phantom and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates on coins like Bitcoin, Phantom and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So first of all, Phantom is right now in place 48 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.4 billion. And after this longer bearish trend to the downside, we then saw the first real bullish explosion. And after we saw this new highs right here, we then retraced to the downside again. We came all the way down back into this last high right here. And as you can see on the weekly time frame, we perfectly retested this region with this wicks, but we didn't saw a body close under this levels right here. And right now with this weekly candle, we are seeing this breakout and the candle is closing in 9 hours and the chance that we are closing like this is very high, and this is a very bullish sign for Phantom. And on the daily chart, you can also see that we had this longer consolidation right here. And we right now first broke to the upside. And now it's of course very important that we are breaking this last high right here. Because from this high, we saw this move to the downside. We made a lower low. So if we are breaking this high to the upside and find acceptance, then the chance is high that we are seeing higher prices again. And of course, it's very important that we are not breaking this last lows. Because when we are breaking this last lows to the downside, then the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this ones to the downside, then the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum and the bullish trend to the upside. And the next very interesting high is this one right here at $1.22. And if we're also breaking this ones to the upside, then the next interesting high is this one right here at $1.68. Because from this high we saw this move to the downside. And of course the last really interesting high is this all-time high right here at $3.47. And I think Phantom is a great project with a very high potential. So for the long run, I'm very bullish on Phantom. And also on the short term, I'm bullish. I could imagine that we are directly breaking this last high. And if we're breaking this high, then I would wait for a retracement. And if we are retesting this last order block or this order block, then we would have a potential great entry at this long area right here. So in the best case, we are breaking this last high, we are getting the bullish confirmation. And if we are then seeing a retracement to the downside and find bullish price action around this levels right here, then we would have a perfect entry between 80 and 90 cents. Or if we're directly seeing a move back into this order block right here, and if we're seeing a bullish price action, this would be also a very good entry for the long potential. And if you want to copy my trading signals and my crypto spot buys, then join my signal group. You will find my exclusive signal group and the second link in the description. So all in all guys, Phantom is looking really bullish. We saw this breakout out of this weekly chart. We retested this last highs right here with this wicks. And then we are seeing this bullish weekly candle, which is a really bullish sign. And of course, the next really interesting high is this one. And if we're breaking this high, then this high is the next potential interesting price target. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.